Good morning, dear students. Myself Pratiksha Tiwari. I welcome you all once again in your English class. Dear students, dear friends, today we are going to learn the art of writing a notice. So, why is notice important? Why should we use it? Why is it important for an organization to do its conversation via a notice? Let's know. My dear students, the art of writing notice is very important. It is that important that an institution cannot run without the process of the notice writing. When it comes for an institution, an organization, a school you can say, an office you can say, or any mean of institution you can say, the notice writing is very important for intra-department or intra-organization communication. A notice must contain these 4 or 5 parts: date, day, venue, the motive of writing the notice, and the purpose of writing the notice, and the name of the head of the department or whoever has written the notice. Dear students, a language of notice should be simple, mild, and conversational. It should not be commanding. The other important point for writing a notice is the one who is writing the notice should not use the technical language. It should be used and written in very simple language and to the point. The next point, a notice should not contain any further thing other than the important information. And one more last but very important point is that one should not use the ambiguous sentence in the notice. It should be to the point and very direct. So let's start the art of writing the notice. My dear students, let me tell you one very important point. बहुत से लोग ग्रेजुएट हो जाते हैं, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हो जाते हैं. One can say they are educated enough to write something, but when it comes to write a notice, write an application, बहुत से लोग ये लिख नहीं पाते. So this art should be mastered by each and every student in my class. I want you to learn this art of writing notice very carefully, very peculiarly. So let's start, my dear student. Now we are going to start the art of writing notice. So today it's the day 21st June. I am teaching you notice writing. So first of all, let's know what should be a layout of writing a notice. So the heading is layout of writing a notice. I have given you one subject on which you have to write a notice. The subject is, you are Karan else Karuna, head boy or head girl of Sunrise Public School, Delhi. Your school is going to hold an inter-class drama competition. Write a notice to be put up on the notice board, inviting entries. Provide all the necessary information in about 50 words. One thing I forgot to mention you that, dear student, the notice can be circulated within the organization or also it can be displayed on a notice board. So let's begin. यहाँ पर आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप अपने स्कूल में करण या करुणा नाम से जाने जाते हैं. आप या तो हेड बॉय हैं या हेड गर्ल हैं आपके स्कूल के. The name of your school is Sunrise Public School, Delhi. आपके स्कूल में एक इंटर क्लास ड्रामा कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाला है जिसके बारे में आपको एक नोटिस लिखने को कहा गया है. आपको अपने नोटिस को एक नोटिस बोर्ड भी वहां पर लगा देना है और आपका नोटिस मैक्स टू मैक्स 50 वर्ड्स का होना चाहिए. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द लैंग्वेज और यू कैन से द वर्ड लिमिट ऑफ राइटिंग अ नोटिस इज इन बिटवीन 30 to 50 वर्ड्स. इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड मोर देन दैट. इट शुड बी वेरी brief. It should be very precise. So let's begin. First of all, you will write the name of your school. जिस भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने ये नोटिस रिलीज किया है, first of all, the body of notice writing says that you have to write the name of the institution. The very first point of your notice should contain the name of the institution. So as according to the question, our name of the organization is Sunrise Public School. So we have written it. Sunrise Public School, that is situated in Delhi as given is the question. Now the second part, you have to write the heading of the notice, which is notice. So the second point of writing the layout of a notice will be write the word notice. Now the third very important point of writing a notice is you have to put the date of issue of the notice. जिस दिन भी आप ये notice issue करने वाले हैं, आप ये notice लिख रहे हैं, you are going to circulate within your organization, that date should be mentioned here in the third point. Now here in the fourth point, the matter, the content of your notice begins. So you will write it like that. As given in the question, you have to write a notice for inter-class drama competition in your school. So we will write the matter accordingly only. Okay. So let's begin. Inter-class drama competition. You will give the heading which the notice is all about. Okay. So your notice is all about the inter-class drama competition. So the fourth point of your writing your notice will be the heading of your notice. Now the matter begins, the content begins. So you will start writing, and inter-class drama competition will be held in our school on 30th June 2021. You will mention the date on which you are going to organize that particular drama competition. So here it is 30th June 2021. The students who are interested to participate in this competition, please give their names latest by the date 28 June 2021 to the undersigned. अब यहाँ पर आपने क्या लिखा कि जो भी स्टूडेंट इस पर्टिकुलर ड्रामा कंपटीशन में पार्ट करना चाहते हैं वो अपना नाम अंडरसाइंड अथॉरिटी जो कि है करण, द हेड बॉय ऑफ द स्कूल, उनको आपको देना है बाय द डेट 28 जून 2021. तो देखिए कितने शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट लैंग्वेज में यहाँ पर आपकी नोटिस कंप्राइज होगी. So what we came to know, the last very important point is you will mention the name of the authority who has issued this particular notice. So here as given in the question, it's Karan if you are a boy, and if you are a girl you will write your name as Karuna. So you have written the name as Karan. So the sixth number, the sixth layout point of this notice writing will be the name of the issuing authority. Now the next thing is what is the position or the designation of this particular person. So here Karan is holding the designation or the post of a head boy in the school. So you will mention the post as head boy. So that will be your last point of your layout of the notice, right? That is the designation. So my dear student, as given in this particular question, the layout of notice writing consists of first the name of the institution, second the word notice, third date, fourth heading, and fifth matter or the content of the notice, sixth name of the issuing authority, and seventh the designation of the issuing authority. My dear students, this art of writing notice is very important for you. You should be very peculiar about writing the notice. So please do note down, watch this video and make your habit of writing a notice by practicing more questions which I will give you on the PDF. Thank you my dear students for watching the video. Please pay your concern here.